Let's divide 396 by 2. Hey super math stars, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start this math adventure. We're dividing 396 by 2. We look at the first digit of 396, which is 3. We're going to use just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check our work. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 3. What do we get? We get 1. Awesome, you're doing fantastic. That's our first step done. Now let's bring down the next digit 9 to join our remainder 1. Get ready for step 2. Step 2 is here. We have 1 from before and we brought down a 9, making it 19. We carry over the remainder 1 and bring down the next digit 9, making our new number 19. How many times does 2 fit into 19? It fits 9 times. Let's multiply 9 times 2 equals 18. Subtract 18 from 19, that leaves us with 1. You're on a roll, keep up the amazing work. Time for the last digit. Let's bring down the 6 to join our remainder 1. On to step 3. Here we are at the final step. We have 1 from before and we brought down a 6, making it 16. We carry over the remainder 1 and bring down the last digit 6, forming the number 16. How many times does 2 fit into 16? It fits exactly 8 times. Let's check. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract 16 from 16. We have 0 left, which means we're done dividing. You did it! That's the end of our division journey. We've successfully divided 396 by 2. The answer is 198. So 396 divided by 2 equals 198. We did it! We conquered long division by dividing 396 by 2. Remember, every step is a chance to learn and grow. Keep practicing and you'll become a math whiz in no time. Great job, everyone! Keep exploring and learning with more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.